Welcome to Launching Your Affiliate Marketing Journey series, where we help you take off in the field of affiliate marketing. In this video, we will talk about some of the benefits of working with a travel partnership platform. Hello and welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about some of the many benefits of working with a travel partnership platform like Travelpayouts. We have over 100 brands to choose from that you can partner with. Applying for each program individually takes a lot of time. With Travelpayouts, once you have a project saved, you can then apply for a new program in just a few clicks. If you aren't sure how to create a project to make applying super easy, don't worry. We have a tutorial for that and we will link to it below this video. At Travelpayouts, we are always looking for the best brands and offers in travel affiliate marketing and are regularly adding new ones, making it that much easier for you to discover new programs you can add to your arsenal of promotions. Another great benefit of working with a travel partnership platform like Travelpayouts is that you have all your stats in one place. When you log into your Travelpayouts account, you will be able to quickly see your impressions, clicks, pending sales, and final sales in one place, making reporting your earnings and potential earnings a breeze. Can you imagine how much time that would save versus logging into 100 different programs? And because you're earning from multiple brand partners, you will also meet the payment threshold much quicker than you would if you were working with each brand separately, allowing you to get paid faster. Getting one payment also saves time with accounting. We all know how much time accounting can take in your business. When you receive one large payment a month versus multiple smaller payments, your bookkeeper will thank you. Let's do a quick recap. A travel partnership platform will make it easier to sign up for and discover new programs, allow you to see your stats all in one place, makes it easier for you to meet the payment threshold, allowing you to earn money faster, and saves time with accounting. In our next tutorial, we will dive into our rates and how you can earn money with Travelpayouts. Why not keep the momentum going and check out our next video?